sure you're in great health going into any medical procedure. So making sure you're eating healthy, you're exercising, minimizing alcohol intake, obviously no smoking and drug use, and you're in a great place mentally going into the procedure. And throughout your recovery, make sure that you follow all of your doctor's recommendations. You usually most likely will have a garment afterwards, and your doctor will inform you how long to keep that garment on. It's very important to wear this in order to decrease swelling and make sure that everything heals in the correct position. In addition, it's really important to maintain a healthy diet, because this is not a weight loss surgery. This is the body contouring surgery, but it is a surgical procedure, and you need the proper nutrients in order to heal. Listen to your doctor in terms of how long you need to wait in terms of resuming activities, exercise, when that might be, and how strenuous that is.